In less than 4 minutes, I'm going to teach you how to make this fascinator with just one layer Aso-OKE. You have an outing that you need a fascinator, but you don't have money to buy new fascinator, or you don't have material to make a fascinator. Let me just show you in this video, and I will tell you that you can use just one layer Aso-OKE for your fascinator. Take your Aso-OKE fabric, fold it into two like the way I did in this video, then beginning to take your pleats one after the other, just like this. It is very simple. There's nothing sweeter than knowing how to do some basic things yourself. As a lady, one of the basic things you need to know how to do is to tie your own or this simple beautifier. Fold it together. After folding it together the way I did, make sure you arrange it very well for everything to be aligned together just like this. After you might have aligned it together, take a rope, or if you have a very good band you can use it, but I prefer to use rope. Can you guys see it? After you might have arranged your pleats very well, this is what you will have. After that, take your rope, then you use it and tie it. Just make sure you arrange it everything very well. It is very simple. Yeah, I want to make sure in this video that I arrange everything very well, because to arrange the pleats very well is very important. That will make your fascinator to come out very beautiful and fine. Now, can you guys see? I've taken my rope and I will use it to tie it together just like this. Guys, can you see? Make sure you tie it very well for it to come out so fine and very neat. Just watch the way I'm doing it in this video. It is that simple, very simple. Just make sure you share this video, like this video. If you watch this video to this minute, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, guys. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. This is very simple. After tying it together, guys, can you see? This is what you will have. Can you guys see? You will use your hand to align it together like this, and you have to take a safety pin and you have to connect it together with the edge just like this. Can you guys see the way I'm doing it in this video? Take the other side, just hold it very well, and also use a safety pin to connect it together. It is so very simple and it is also beautiful. Continue to watch this video, watch it to the end, share it to someone, share it to your friends, your sister, share it to someone that will need it. Take a look at it. After connecting it together, use your hand and arrange it very well. Can you guys see? This is what we have after connecting it together. We are not done, guys. So now start using your hand to separate it just the way I am doing in this video, guys. Can you guys see? After connecting it together, can you see? Just use your hand to align it. Just use your hand to separate it just like this for it to give us that beautiful fascinator look that we all are looking for. Guys, can you see? Can you see? It is very simple. You can call it a bow wrap that you can place on top of your wig. If you don't want to wear cap, you just call it a beautifier that you can place on top of your head while going out. But I do call it Aso-OKE fascinator. It is very beautiful. Guys, can you see? Can you see? This is what we have after all the separation. Just take a look at it. Use your hand to separate yours just the way you like or the way you want it. Now take your pin and use it, hairpin, to take it from the back. Then you look at it very well and place it on your head just the way I did in this video. If you wear a wig, this will be very simple for you. You just place it on top of your wig. If you have a brush, add it. Like this video, share it, subscribe for more tutorials. Bye.